Don't you think the best times of the day are sunrises and sunsets? But often it can be difficult to get to see them. Maybe the sunrise is too early and you're getting your sleep in, or perhaps you're working while the sun is setting. But if you can catch one of these magical moments, that's a way to inject a little bit more joy into your day. My name is Natalie, and that sun really is quite strong at the moment at the angle right about my eyesight, so please forgive me if I close my eyes throughout this. In a comfortable seat, start to tune into your bodily senses, starting with the obvious ones, your sense of touch, noticing the parts of your body connecting with the floor, parts of your body connecting with your clothing, the sensation of the air on your skin if you're outside and there's a nice breeze, or perhaps inside, just observing what is the air temperature like. Connecting with the sensation of your hands on your knees. And then tuning into your sense of hearing. What sounds? Apart from the sound of my voice, can you hear your own breathing? Perhaps distant birds, maybe even some less obvious sounds, some sounds that you've become accustomed to and perhaps have started to tune out. Is there a hum of a refrigerator, the tick of a clock? And then with your eyes closed, still tuning into the sense of light and pattern and sight behind your closed eyelids. Are there any shapes making their way to the forefront? Tuning into the rise and fall of the breath. And add to that feeling of the rise and fall of your breath the image of waves on the beach washing in over the sand, wiping it clean, and the waves drawing back out to the ocean, flowing in and flowing out. The flowing of the breath, the flowing of the waves, synchronized, rhythmic, steady, eternal. And then bring your awareness to your face, allowing the corners of your mouth to turn up into a gentle smile. And then letting your awareness rest on some obvious things that you are grateful for right now. Maybe you're grateful that your nose is unblocked and you can breathe freely through both nostrils, because certainly when it is blocked, that's probably all you can think about. The good old days when you could breathe. So let's embrace the fact that you can breathe now. You're breathing freely in and out. Perhaps you're grateful for your arms and legs that work without too much problem. And then adding to that list anything else about your body that you're grateful for. Maybe you're just grateful not to have a headache. Maybe you're grateful to have all your teeth. Grateful for eyes that work. Taste buds that can taste delicious food. And then letting go of this cultivation of gratitude for your body. And then shifting to the outside environment. What about your external environment where you live are you grateful for? Maybe you're grateful that the air is unpolluted, that you can have access to clean running water just at the turn of a tap. Maybe you're grateful for the freedoms that your country affords you, for the right to speak. Just breathing, aware, expanding your gratitude list for your external environment. I'm grateful for warm sunshine. And then expanding your awareness to some important people in your life. Think about who is your support network. And picture each person in that support network. Maybe they're friends or family or someone that you work with. And then expanding that list of gratitude until your circle of support becomes bigger and bigger. And your heart starts to fill with even more and more gratitude. And then what about your work situation that you're grateful for? Maybe you're in between jobs and you're grateful for that, the opportunity for reinvention, to take stock of your priorities, reevaluate your skills. And if you work in a less than idyllic environment, perhaps you can be grateful for the people around you that can teach you patience, perseverance, resilience. Still the awareness on the breath, the awareness on the skin, the sense of touch, hearing, sight, even behind your closed eyelids, and your expanding list of gratitude. And allow this sensation of gratitude to fill you, to start to create more joy. And then letting your list of gratitude extend to some physical possessions that you own. What material things do you have in your life that give you joy or that you're grateful for? Maybe you're really grateful to have a nice car that you can rely on, that won't break down. Maybe you're grateful for fresh, clean sheets in your bed. Maybe you're grateful for a good security system. Whatever it is, small or large, just keep making your list. Maybe you're grateful for flowers in your garden. Grateful to have a bicycle to ride. Grateful to have a surplus of food in your cupboard that you can share with those in need. And then spending the last remaining time in gratitude for anything else that you would like to add to this beautiful list. Happy people are grateful first, and after the gratitude comes the joy. In order to cultivate more joy in your life, I encourage you to make some time to put in those things that really make you happy. Schedule some time for dancing, for meeting up with friends, walks on the beach, reading a nice book, lighting a candle, having a bath. And then always practicing gratitude for the many blessings that you already now enjoy. Namaste.